In this video, we'll understand about concept of index number and also its characteristics. First, the concept of index number. We'll understand this concept through one example. Consider the following data of price per meter in rupees of two types of cloth. One cloth will be cotton, another one is polyester. And we have captured the prices from the year 1994 to 1998 for both cotton cloth as well as polyester cloth. We may notice that cotton cloth is increasing from 10 to 20 and polyester is increasing from 30 to 45. As such, if you look into the year 1994 to 1998, there is a price increase in cotton cloth to the extent of 10 rupees and polyester cloth to the extent of 15 rupees. So that is what is written here. So as such, if you look into, you may notice that the price increase in polyester cloth is more than the price increase in cotton cloth. But is it so? Let us see that. If we consider the price of polyester cloth, you may notice that it is greater than price of cotton cloth. But if we consider and compare 1994 as a base year and then calculate the percentage increase, price increase in the polyester cloth, you may notice that it is 15 divided by 30 because 15 is the price increase, 30 was the price during 1994. And if we calculate the percentage, we get 50% in that. And if we do the same thing for cotton cloth, percentage increase in price of cotton cloth is 10 rupees is the increase, and the initial price in the year 1994 was 10 rupees. So it has gone up by 100%. So the percentage rise in cotton cloth is just opposite than the simple price if we consider. Here, percentage rise in cotton cloth is greater than the percentage rise in polyester cloth. So if we consider rupees 100 as the price of both types of cloth in 1994, then we find that the prices of cotton and polyester cloth in 1998 are 200 and 150. How it is 200? Because there is a price increase in percentage to the extent of 100% in cotton cloth and 50% in polyester cloth. That is why 100 has become 200 and 100 has become 150 for cotton and polyester respectively. So in statistical language, we say that the index numbers for cotton and polyester cloth are 200 and 150 respectively when you consider 1994 as the base year and 1998 as the current year. Hence, index numbers are indicators which measure percentage changes in a variable or a group of related variables over a specified period of time. Means, if we say that the index number of wholesale prices is 143 in Jan 1998 in comparison with 1 year before, that is Jan 1997, it means that there is a net price increase to the extent of 43%. How do you calculate? You simply subtract whatever index number given with the 100, and that will be the percentage increase in the wholesale commodities during that period. Here the period is 1 year. So index number relate to a variable or a variables in one period, which we call it as a current period, and we denote it by a suffix 1 to the same variable or variables in another period, which we call it as a base period, and we denote that base period with a suffix 0. The prices corresponding to current and base period are called current prices and base prices respectively. So the characteristics, always index numbers are expressed in percentage, but we don't write the percentage symbol. We simply calculate it in percentage, but we don't write the percentage symbol. Then they are absolute numbers in the sense the commodities may be of different units. If we try to calculate index number for a particular year, let us say current year, there may be different commodities. Those commodities prices are getting compared with the same commodities during some previous year, that is called as base year. So the commodities may have, one may be in kg, one may be in liters, etc. But still we can able to calculate the index numbers as they are expressed in terms of absolute numbers free from any units. They are specialized for this reason only, since they are even though you calculate average or you try to find out the comparison, it is a specialized average because it is free from any units. It measures the effect of those factors whose direct measurement is difficult. For example, if you want to calculate the inflation, it is difficult to directly calculate, but you can very well calculate the consumer price index or cost of living index. From that, you can understand how much is the inflation for the product. So index number helps us to find out that effect, how much is the increase effect, wherein it is difficult to find out directly the inflation in percentage, but you can very well find out using a consumer price index, or you also call it as a cost of living index. It is a tool to measure relative change. We had seen that it is a comparison between two different periods. So that is what is or the characteristics of index numbers. We'll continue about index numbers in our subsequent video. Till then, take care. Thank you.